All right, folks, so what I found out is that these little clips, they just clip on right here. And you take the clips, you put the clips on like that. Oh, wait.
That's not how you get it in
And then I think you just
there.
slip them in. Wait, there you go.
And slide it back.
And then slide it back.
Okay.
All right. And then I think the other clips.
Can I have a clip?
Yep. So here's the other clips. So they just kind of clip on. I'm not sure how to put these on, the smaller clips. Wait a minute.
Now there should be two black ones. The black ones are where they join.
Okay, so that means we need to change that out. Well, there's one.
There's one. That's where they join. See, they slide in together.
Oh, wait a minute. So folks, I'm not sure how these go on.
Oh, that goes on like, oh, maybe not. I don't know.
All right, I think I figured it out. So these little clips, they go on the back. Well, you
The
can see
video
that.
is not as helpful.
I think it would just be easy if I record from the inside.
Okay. All right, folks, we're gonna pause the video and come back again.